Hey guys, Professor Mike here. Welcome back to the channel. Got a video for you guys today. This is a slammed 5.0 S550 wrapped, and it looks awesome. And just wanted to walk around it and show you. It's got the carbon fiber side mirrors. It's got, there's his Instagram if you guys want to follow him right there. Wow. Here's the back, the Euro taillights. Absolutely slammed on bags, carbon fiber hood. That is just insane. And deck lid panel, wheels tucked in all the way, carbon fiber inside, you can see it through. It's got a nice camo wrap on it. Let's check out the front here. Oh my god. No, it does not drive like this. If you guys are wondering, how can he drive like that? It's on bags, it airs up and it airs down. So it does not actually drive like, if he drove like that, it would pop and his suspension would be toast. Saw this right here, I was like, wow, let me, I mean, look at this in the sun. Absolutely crazy. Looks awesome. Like I said, he has his Instagram right there. Walk around it real quick. Just saw this, had to take a video of it. Looks super cool. I wish I could hear it start. It's probably insanely loud. It probably has full exhaust headers, X-pipe, axle back system. So, those Euro taillights are sick. They are so cool. One more walk around. Like I said, in the sun, it just looks awesome in the sun. Alright, just wanted to come on here and show you guys a pretty cool slammed 5.0. Catch y'all in the next video. Peace.